So the percentage share available. I'll say category wise sales to be displayed. Sales in values, legends, you are in categories. Detail if you want, you can drag anything else. So I'm good to go. I'm okay with this. So let me customize this formatting. I'll say legend is there. I want it should be more prominent so that I can get readable for my user. Do 14. Category is there. Right center, I say on top let it be, so that I can utilize my space. Let it be 20 as a font size. Next, I can go for data color layer, which you can change anytime. Detail labels currently we have not set. By default it is data value plus percentage. If you want data value category name plus your amount is there, or category name plus percentage should be there. Depending on case, you can take a call which option you want to go for. So if you take all, it will show all data, whatever data was available. Let me take it percentage total only, and I want display unit in a let it be percentage only. I don't want to go for. I want percentage should be round off with 0. Text size I'll take it 20 at least. We'll make it and I want it should be inside. It's good to go. Label position inside, other things are there. Background is okay. And if you, anytime you want to change it in donut, you can change it in donut, because both are having same value to be displayed. So anytime you can change it to donut. Even if you can change it to your